Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to share a story with you about something inside your body that controls more than you think. Your gut. They call it the second brain. And it's true. When your gut is healthy, you feel more energetic, focused, and even happier. But when it's out of balance, you might deal with bloating, indigestion, or feeling drained. So what can we do to heal it naturally? Let me introduce you to three ancient, powerful ingredients: turmeric, garlic, and fenugreek. First up, turmeric. You've probably seen it in curries, but did you know it's been used for thousands of years as medicine? Its secret weapon is a compound called curcumin. Think of it like a superhero fighting inflammation and protecting your gut lining. Here's a quick tip. Always pair turmeric with black pepper. Why? Because black pepper boosts curcumin's absorption by up to 2,000%. Next, garlic. Not just for flavor, garlic is like nature's antibiotic. When you crush or chop it, it releases a compound called elixir. This fights off harmful bacteria, viruses, even parasites in your gut. And here's the best part. When garlic and turmeric team up, they become a powerful duo for cleansing your system and boosting immunity. Finally, fenugreek. These tiny seeds don't look like much, but they're loaded with fiber that keeps digestion smooth and helps repair your gut lining. They also calm bloating, gas, and even balance blood sugar. So how do we bring all three together? Simple. 1 teaspoon turmeric, 2 and 3 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon soaked fenugreek seeds, warm water, a dash of black pepper. Blend it, strain it, and drink it in the morning. Optional. Add honey or lemon for taste. This one drink helps cleanse your gut, strengthen immunity, and energize your body. But gut health isn't only about food. Movement matters too. That's why I suggest a quick 5-minute AB workout each day. Strong core muscles actually support digestion and overall wellness. Pair the workout with this gut healing drink and you'll feel the difference. So to recap, turmeric fights inflammation, garlic kills harmful pathogens, and fenugreek soothes and repairs. Together, they're a natural elixir for gut health, glowing skin, and even a happier mood. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. Take care of your gut and it will take care of you. If you found this helpful, give this video a like, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep glowing.